Employees, managers and directors should all have a good understanding of the threat posed by cyber attacks and the importance of guarding against data breaches. This short course will explain why cyber attacks and data breaches happen and provide practical advice on how to set up effective defenses. First, the course will identify potential cyber threat actors who initiate cybercrime, along with looking at the main motivations behind cyber attacks on individuals and organizations. On a more practical level, you'll learn how to recognize and deal effectively with phishing attempts. The course will highlight the importance of keeping passwords secure and cover security for devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, or desktop computers. You'll learn how to report a suspected cyber attack and what to do if you genuinely make a mistake. Finally, we'll underline the importance of cooperation and show how working closely together helps overcome a wide range of cybersecurity issues. As this is an online course, it can be taken at your own pace, at a time that's convenient for you. To find out more, sign up for a free trial or give us a call today.